Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today ICP, how are you today? Okay, today it's time to study mathematics for third ICP. Today we will discuss about division. Okay, before we start our lesson, please let's pray basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, listen carefully. Today we will discuss about two. And the first is relation, division, and multiplication. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang dua bab, yaitu yang pertama relation, division, and multiplication. Hubungan antara pembagian dan perkalian. Kemarin kan kalian sudah belajar tentang perkalian. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang pembagian dan hubungannya bagaimana sih? Okay. And then the second is division with remainder. Maksudnya tentang pembagian dengan sisa, dengan remainder atau sisa. Okay. Relation of division and multiplication. To understand this part, please look at this video.
Studying the relation between the two operations, multiplication and division, will become simpler. Multiplication and division are very closely related. Let us see how. There are 5 boxes, and each box has 3 pencils. In all, how many pencils are there in 5 boxes? To get the product, we multiply the numbers 5 and 3. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Now, let us look at it in another way. There are 15 pencils. If each box can accommodate 3 pencils, then how many boxes are needed for 15 pencils? So, here we need to divide 15 by 3 to find the quotient. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Given that there are 5 boxes and 15 pencils, how many pencils are there in each box? Here, we divide 15 by 5 to find the quotient. So, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. From the same example used, we got to know an interesting fact about multiplication and division, which is division is the inverse of multiplication. That is, when we divide the product with one of its factors, the quotient that we get is the other factor. Now, let us take another example. Look, there are 5 kids. Each kid has 9 balloons. How many balloons are there in all with the 5 kids? So, here we multiply the numbers 5 and 9 to get the answer. So, 5 into 9 is equal to 45. If we look at the same example in a different way, there are 45 balloons. If each kid has 9 balloons, then find the number of kids such that the balloons are distributed equally. Here, we need to divide 45 by 9 to find the quotient. We get 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. Now, if there are 5 kids and 45 balloons in all, how many balloons does each kid get? Here, we divide 45 by 5 to find the quotient. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. Look, here we got both multiplication and division facts from the same example. Woohoo! Ola is great company to learn with.
Nah, itu tadi adalah hubungan antara pembagian dan perkalian. Jadi bisa disimpulkan bahwasannya pembagian itu merupakan inverse dari perkalian atau kebalikan dari perkalian, ya. Oke. Next. Division with remainder, yaitu pembagian dengan sisa. Kalau tadi kan 15 dibagi 5 hasilnya 3. 15 dibagi 3 hasilnya 5 tanpa sisa. Nah, sekarang yang ada sisanya. Bagaimana itu, Bu? How? Okay, look at this video please.
Short division with a remainder. Short division is my go-to method because it's fast. Here's how you can use it to work very quickly with remainders. Let's start with a nice small one. 19 divided by 5. I'm going to take you through all my thinking as I work out the division problem. There are no 5s in 1, so how many 5s in 19? If you know your 5 times table, you know 3 5s are 15. There's a remainder here. If we count on from 15 to 19, we can quickly find the remainder. So, 16, 17, 18, 19. I counted on 4 to get to 19. That's a remainder of 4. When we get to the end of a problem and there's a remainder, we write a little R up here on the answer line. Then we put that remainder amount in. So 19 divided by 5 is 3, remainder 4. We never ignore a remainder. And when you're working on division problems, you're going to get remainders. You might find it easy to use your fingers to help you keep count, as I just showed you. Lots of students do. Short division works because we can handle the difference between lower numbers in our heads or using our fingers to help us keep count. That's why it's best for smaller divisors of 2 to 12, whose tables we should all learn anyway.
Nah, itu tadi adalah division with remainder, yaitu pembagian dengan sisa. Jadi misalnya 16 dibagi 5. Kan 16 dibagi 5 itu 5 kali 1 5, 5 kali 2 5 5 kali 2 10, 5 kali 3 15. Nah, sedangkan di sana 16, berarti kan kurang 1, berarti sisanya adalah 1. Gitu ya anak-anak ya, oke, understand? Oke, nah thank you so much. Terima kasih untuk hari ini. Itu saja yang bisa Bu Farah sampaikan. Semoga apa yang Bu Farah sampaikan bisa bermanfaat untuk kalian. Dan mohon maaf apabila dalam penyampaian ini Bu Farah banyak terdapat salah. Oke, untuk tugasnya tidak ada ya anak-anak ya. Kalian belajar saja tentang division ini, latihan-latihan untuk persiapan UAS minggu depan ya. Nanti pertemuan selanjutnya Bu Farah akan kasih rambu-rambu untuk persiapan PTS UAS. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.